Ariana. She's just mad. You just did it. Do it one more time. Come on. Do it one more time. I know. It's hard. You're mad at me. You're mad at me for making you do that, huh? There you are. Oh, there you go. Yay! You did it. Yay! Finally, you did it. Good job, Ariana. Ariana, come this way. Oh, I know it's almost bedtime, huh? Almost bedtime. Got my PJs on. Yay. Get those feet. Get those feet. Get those feet. I found you. I found you. I found you, Cranky Pants. Found you, Cranky Pants. Yeah, Mommy, pick me up now. Pick me up now. Pick me up now. Okay, you win. Okay, let's go night-night. Say good night, everybody.